OnePlus is back with a sleek, compact powerhouse, the OnePlus 13s. Don't let the name fool you, this isn't just a toned-down version of the OnePlus 13. With a Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, a beautiful 1.5K OLED display, and a battery bigger than most flagships, the 13s is making big moves in a smaller package. Let's take a closer look at everything the OnePlus 13s brings to the table, and whether it could be your next perfect smartphone. Starting off with the display, the OnePlus 13s features a 6.32-inch OLED panel with a sharp 1.5K resolution. It's compact, yes, but the visuals are top tier. You also get a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth scrolling and responsive touch, ideal for both casual and competitive mobile gaming. The screen supports Dolby Vision HDR, delivering deeper blacks, vibrant colors, and an overall immersive visual experience, especially when streaming HDR content on Netflix or YouTube. At the heart of the OnePlus 13s is the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, the newest flagship-grade SoC from Qualcomm. It brings unmatched performance with better efficiency and AI optimization. Whether you're multitasking with heavy apps, editing 4K videos on the go, or gaming at ultra settings, the 13s handles it with ease. It's paired with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, details to be confirmed, so performance is both fast and future-proof. The camera setup is simple but powerful. You get a 50MP primary sensor with optical image stabilization, capturing detailed shots with natural colors. A second 50MP telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom, excellent for portraits and closer framing without loss in quality. And on the front, a 16MP selfie camera ensures crisp and well-lit photos, perfect for social media and video calls. It may not boast a periscope or ultra-wide lens, but OnePlus is focusing on consistent, flagship-grade image quality in this dual-camera setup. This is where the OnePlus 13s really flexes. A massive 6,260 mAh battery, one of the largest in any OnePlus phone to date. With 90W SuperVOOC fast charging, you can go from 0 to 100% in around 30 minutes. That means even if you forget to charge overnight, a quick plug-in while you're getting ready can power you through the day. Expect 2 full days of normal use or a day and a half with heavy gaming and screen time. Design-wise, the OnePlus 13s carries a flat-screen aesthetic, with a solid metallic frame that feels premium in hand. It's slim, sleek, and compact, great for users who prefer smaller phones that still offer big performance. It's rated IP65 for water and dust resistance. That means it's splash-proof and can handle the occasional rain, although it's not fully waterproof like IP68 certified flagships. The phone runs on OxygenOS 15, based on Android 15. This means you'll get the clean, fast, and customizable OnePlus software experience with the latest Google features. You can expect at least 4 years of Android updates and 5 years of security patches, keeping your phone secure and up to date well into the future. Plus, OnePlus has added a new Plus key, replacing the classic alert slider. This key is customizable, letting you assign shortcuts like launching the camera, enabling silent mode, or opening apps. The OnePlus 13 supports all the latest connectivity options, Wi-Fi 7 for ultra-fast internet speeds, Bluetooth 5.4 for stable, low-latency audio, NFC for contactless payments and easy device pairing. As for pricing, the OnePlus 13s is expected to launch around 50,000 Indian rupees in India, roughly $649 in the US, or AED 2100 in the UAE. That positions it right in the upper mid-range segment, but with features that rival true flagships. So, should you buy it? If you're looking for a powerful yet compact phone, with top-tier performance, reliable cameras, amazing battery life, and the refined OxygenOS experience, the OnePlus 13s could be the underrated champion of 2025. What do you think? Is the OnePlus 13s worth it? Or would you wait for the OnePlus 13 Ultra or go for a Galaxy or Xiaomi alternative? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep dives into the latest smartphones.